Welcome back everyone. Now in this lesson we will learn about for loop. Now I have already written a syntax for our for loop here. This is one example. Now if you observe, the for loop has three parts. The first part is the variable part, second part is the condition part, and the third part is the update part. Now this one, let us start with the variable part. Now what the variable part does is that it initializes and it defines a variable which we will use in the for loop. At this moment we are using x. Now x has an initial value which is 1, and this x runs until the value becomes greater than 10. This is our condition statement. Now it checks whether x is greater than 10, and it will keep on running until the x value is greater than 10. And this is our update statement. Now writing x plus plus is equal to writing x equal to, it is equivalent to writing x equal to x plus 1. This is same as x plus plus. So what it does is that when x equal to 1, it is less than 10, so we will get 1 high, and then this update statement will update the value of 1 to 2. So x will become 2 and it will run second time. Like that it will run until the x value becomes 11. So we will get 10 outputs. We will compile and check this. We can see that 3, 6, 9 and 10 outputs. So we got 10 outputs. It is very clear. Now for loop, I will repeat again, has three parts. First is the variable part, second is the comparison or the condition part, and the third one is the update part. Now the for loop runs until the condition is fulfilled, and x plus plus is equivalent to writing x equal to x plus 1. So in this case we will have 10 highs printed on the screen. For loops are mainly used in initializing arrays. We will deal with that later in the course. For the moment, this is all you need to know about. Now in our next lesson, we will learn a little bit more about for loops and how we can skip some of these statements. We'll learn about that in our next lecture. See you there. Thank you.